Well, it's about time you got your head out of those books and paid attention to more important things.
It's about time we met.
It's about time Spielberg left some for the rest of us.
We've been dating for over a year now, and I think it's about time people met my beautiful girlfriend.
It's about time you came to see the doctor.
I think it's about time you told me what's going on here.
Oh, it's about time they cleaned up the trash downtown before we become just like the rest of the country.
It's about time you came by and said hi.
In fact, your uncle thinks it's about time you and I had that little talk about the birds and the bees.
It's about time you noticed, Rick.
It's about time you found yourself a nice boyfriend.
It's about time somebody finally came out and said it.
It's about time you got it. It's about time you did your own dirty work.
It's about time somebody took this problem seriously.
It's about time some lucky girl figured it out.
Oh, it's about time you said so.
I'm here to check in.
It's about time you got here.
Oh, it's about time you showed up.
It's about time the South rejoined the rest of the country.
It's about time people began to realize that we've got a job ahead of us here cleaning up this town.
Don't you think it's about time you broke the chain with a little truth?
Maybe it's about time I figure out my own thing, you know?
And I think it's about time you called me Francie.
Well, it's about time they changed the old one.
Don't you think that it's about time you tried helping yourself?
It's about time this community took care of the school.
Well, it's about time you grew up.
It's about time the sergeant helped me.
It's about time Sturdy Winks found someone who could.
It's about time I made some friends around here.
It's about time they sent someone with some talent after me.
It's about time we threw a little dough around.
You come in here and say whatever crazy goddamn thing comes into your head, and I think it's about time somebody told you to keep your goddamn mouth shut.
It's about time somebody listened to me.
It's about time you took it, sir.
It's about time someone stood up to those diabolical bad guys.
It's about time we had a hero around here.
Don't you think it's about time it became important?
It's about time you called.
And I think it's about time we found somebody to help make some sense of your life.
Don't you think it's about time we made up?
Anyway, it's about time she started to read the Bible.
I think it's time to get my dad's old cloak out again.
It's time to pay your debt.
It's time to put my stone on the mountain.
It's time to fight dirty. Okay, Boo, it's time to go home.
It's been 48 souls since I planted the potatoes, so now it's time to reap and re-sow.
I think it's time to discuss your career path.
It's time to surrender, Panda. It's time to make way for the next generation.
Okay, Ben, it's time to light the Hanukkah candle.
It's time to get back on LinkedIn.
Well, Hayes, guess it's time to call it a night.
Now that we're all together, I think it's time to address the reason for this seminar.
It's time to start delivering on that Sullivan name.
I think it's time to get her home.
It's time to get out in front, change the game.
Come on, it's time to move.
But now, it's time to forget all that.
It's time to push buttons.
Now it's time to let Smith & Wesson do the talking.
Come on, honey, it's time to go home.
It's time to see what's out there.
It's time to right some wrongs.
It's time to change for dinner.
We really appreciate it, but it's time to knock it off.
What? It's time to say goodbye.
Now it's time to take those envelopes out. I think that now it's time to break it all down, you know.
It's time to move on.
It's time to sparkle.
Maybe it's time to consider stopping.
Maybe it's time to finally bring this home.
It's time to stop playing games.
It's time to show it to the world, don't you think?
You're a filthy fantasist. And now it's time to leave.
It's time to go.
It's time to start thinking long term.
Maybe it's time to grow up a little.
It's time to end this war.
It's time to push.
It's time to relax and enjoy your stay.
Yes, well, perhaps it's time to eat.
So I guess it's time to send in a specialist.
I think it's time to revive it.
Now it's time to wake up.
It's time to put balls in holes.
It's time to die!
I made the deal, and now it's time to pay the price.
It's high time you married a suitable bride.
It's high time she had a room of her own.
That's why it's high time that you had a super suit.
I think it's high time I kissed you, Catherine.
In fact, I think it's high time we hit the road.
It's high time we had some new blood in the palace.
I mean to say it's high time someone told him, and I don't care if he knows.
Mr. Lambert, I think it's high time we met.
It's high time you gave a concert.
It's high time you started thinking about changing some things.
It's high time American women showed they had some skin.
It's high time I bought you something to eat.
Yes, and I think it's high time we had some electricity into this place and stopped living like Tobacco Road.
It's high time we made preparations for hibernation.
Well, then it's high time you started, mate.
My parents hold one every year, and I think it's high time that I invited someone.
It's high time the government stepped in and did something about this problem.
Maybe it's high time we got some reward for what we gave you.
I think it's high time we had another look.
Don't you think it's high time you paid your respects to your hostess?
It's high time we shared it.
I think it's high time I put me first.
I think it's high time you put an end to this little game of yours.
It's high time you started thinking about a family of your own.
I think it's high time you stopped looking at everything as if it were a musical comedy and faced a little bit of it yourself.
It's high time I told Jim Taylor a thing or two.
For heaven's sakes, it's high time we all did.
Well, it's high time you found out, don't you think?
It's high time you realize that.
Yes, I think it's high time. I met all your friends here in Salzburg, and they met me.
You and the cook have been very patient, but it's high time I paid your salaries.
It's high time somebody taught these Germans another lesson.
And I think it's high time that I became a reporter, sir.
It's high time I trusted you.
I know my destiny, and it's high time you met yours.
It's high time you grew up and learned to play with more important things, like hair clips and headbands.
It's high time you opened your own bakery.
And I think it's high time that you two talked with each other face to face.
I think it's high time you were in bed.
Reggie, it's high time you were married.
Then I think it's high time this state began to remember some of its history.
And I think it's high time that I gave up on the idea of going back to New York and starting all over again in another firm.
It's high time someone reminded your grandmama what a piano sounds like.
I suppose it's high time I learned to manage without you.
And it's high time that you learned.